Hi guys, this is Rich Packing. Now I'm introducing a highly efficient 130W cartoning machine, fast and stable. This machine is a super helper of carton packaging. It can package a wide range of products into cartons, such as blister sheets, bottles, packs, sachets, soft tubes, and more. This cartoning machine, suitable for small and medium-sized enterprises, is widely used in industries like medicine, food, solid beverages, adult products, health products, daily necessities, and personal care. Our machine is equipped with a diversified material feeder. Whether your products are blisters, sheets, bottles, packs, sachets, or soft tubes, the machine tailors different feeders for you. Unlike single-server machines on the market, our machine uses double-server motors with a packaging speed of up to 130 cartons per minute. Unlike other old-style machines, we use the latest continuous planetary wheel to absorb cartons, which improves the speed and effect of carton formation. Our carton packaging machine has a complete production line with multiple working stations, including the feeder, carton positioning, instruction manual positioning, carton absorbing and formation, product and instruction manual packaging, indentation, and sealing, ensuring the automatic operation of the whole production line. With so many working stations, are you worried about misalignment? This cartoning machine keeps away your worry. The Siemens PLC control system monitors machine data in real time, achieving automatic frequency conversion and speed adjustment, ensuring the coordination of each working station. For example, if products are not in place, the machine automatically stops taking cartons. This machine is highly intelligent and can automatically reject waste. The automatic punch detects the product quantity, and the photoelectric detection eye can detect whether instruction manuals are in place. If there is no product or instruction manual in a carton, the machine automatically rejects the waste, ensuring the accuracy of carton packaging. This cartoning machine can be connected with more other machines, achieving integrated production. For example, now beside me there is an aluminum PVC blistering machine, which is connected with our 130W cartoning machine. Components of our cartoning machine are made by world's top companies, including Schneider, Siemens, and Omron, guaranteeing the quality and durability of our machine. If you are interested in this machine, please contact Rich Packing.